Hello everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can block website traffic from specific countries, because sometimes we get a lot of spam emails or spam form submissions from countries that our business is not familiar with. So blocking traffic from those countries will be a benefit for you and your website and your business as well. So if the website is hosted on Hostinger, this method is useful for you. So first you have to log into your Hostinger dashboard with the email and password. Then you will be directed into this interface or a similar interface like this. Then you have to click on websites, and now you can see I have the domains here that I own or manage. Now I can go to the dashboard of this domain, and after clicking on dashboard I will be directed into this interface. Now I have to click on performance. After clicking on this, you need to click on CDN. Now you can see here this is the CDN status, and if you click on manage, here you can do specific things like you can see the analytics, website optimization, security, and traffic blocking. So we are talking about traffic blocking, so let's go to this interface. Now you can see no countries are blocked. So if you want to block a specific country, you need to click on this button. Now let's say I don't want any traffic from Nigeria, so I will click on it. And if you don't want any traffic from, let's say, Zimbabwe, you click on that as well, and then you click on block 2, and then these countries are blocked. And if someone from these countries try to log in into your website or send you spam emails or form submissions, they can't, because they won't be able to log in into your website from these countries. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Thanks.